Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a business card on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and in the event section you can find the business card option, the business card US or the business card European, and just select one and select a template and click to the use this template button. If you want to add pictures to your project, click to the photo section in the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can search or upload pictures. If you want to change the text, click to the text box. You can delete or change this text. In the font section you can select another font type, and in the style section, for example, you can adjust the size of your text. If you want to add different graphic elements to your project, go to the object section, and here you can search objects, and for example select the ice cream, and you can move and you can edit the size of this element. If you want to add animations to your project, go to the animation section, and here you can search different animations. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.